This is the afternoon video briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 14th of February. It's Valentine's Day, and Alabama's weather is so nice this afternoon. If you like the weather today, I think you'll like the weather tomorrow. Some rain about the time the weekend begins, but this time, not much. No severe storms, light rain amounts, and a fairly decent chunk of the weekend will be dry but colder. This is the upper air look across the country today, and again, it's a zonal flow, and it's a very dry air mass across Alabama and the deep south. There's the visible satellite view. Got a few wisps of cirrus clouds across the central counties of the state and near the Gulf Coast. Otherwise, things are totally sunny. Radar composite across the country, very quiet. Got a few sprinkles in Northern California, parts of Oregon, South Dakota, Minnesota, but again, a very, very calm day today. And temperatures are looking pretty good. We've got mid-60s for the northern half of the state. Birmingham, 64. Huntsville, 62. 65 for Montgomery, Dothan, Mobile. Just delightful. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. Scattered winter weather advisories up north. And what you saw there, that precipitation over South Dakota, Minnesota, that was falling in the form of snow, I should mention. We're a couple of counties under winter storm warnings there. Got a few winter storm warnings for parts of the northern Rockies and the mountains of California, but down here things are calm. There could be some thunder today up around St. Louis, back up towards Chicago, but again, no severe storms expected. Again, maybe some thunder for northern California. Tomorrow, not a single thunderstorm expected across the country. And on day 3, which is Friday, there could be some thunder from Memphis down to about Tyler, Texas, but severe storms are not expected. And we'll check the rain for the next 7 days, and just not much here. Things are looking pretty quiet and calm. This little feature as the weekend begins, just not bringing much. This is suggesting rain amounts under 1/4 of an inch for much of the state, and some places might not see enough rain to measure, so get a chance to dry out to some degree. But model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, ballot tomorrow at 4. Got a trough over the Great Lakes, but down here a broad northwest flow aloft. And once again, a beautiful day. Again, just like today, sunny. We start the day in the 30s and 40s. The high will be in the 60s. Just delightful. Now, the day Friday should be dry. Highs in the 60s. Clouds probably increasing late in the day. And there's a surface front to the north, and that will most likely push a batch of showers in here Friday night. This is Friday night at midnight, showing a little batch of showers over the northern half of the state with a front. But again, moisture limited. The air will be cool, stable, no thunder, no chance of any severe storms, no flooding. And then by Saturday afternoon, the front is all the way down to the Gulf Coast. So any rain on Saturday afternoon should be near the coast or in the Gulf waters. And I should mention now, Saturday's going to be sharply colder. It's going to be kind of a blustery, raw, chilly day with temperatures in the 40s for the northern half of the state, 50s for South Alabama. And clouds will likely linger. And then Sunday should be a brighter day. Sunshine back in full force. We start the day below freezing. Many spots will be in the 20s for the northern half of the state. The high Sunday should be in the 50s. And Monday, we bounce right back. A good chance we'll see 60s. Tuesday should be a nice day. We've seen evidence, a little Clipper-type feature might bring a few sprinkles to the state on Tuesday, but this run not showing that one way or the other. If we see any rain, it would be very light, very spotty. And this is a week from today. This is Wednesday the 21st, a northwest flow aloft. And again, evidence a little clipper might bring some sprinkles to Tennessee, but the bottom line is the week looks pretty quiet. In fact, let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 24th. Pretty chilly-looking vortex over southeast Canada. And down below that, a surface front coming in here with some colder air following that in the wake of that. But again, we just don't see a big cross-polar flow where this brutally cold Arctic air gets in here for the rest of the month. We'll see these brief cold shots like on Saturday, but not too bad for wintertime. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble, not a lot. The mean between really 1 and 1.5 inches between now and the end of the month, and that's it. Check temperatures, again, will be in the 60s tomorrow and Friday. Then a pretty chilly day Saturday, the high 46. And you can see upper 20s by Sunday and Monday morning, but then we bounce right back. Highs close to 70 by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And check it out, hot off the presses. Got the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for the 22nd through the 28th. And look at that. Much of the contiguous United States with above average temperatures, including the Deep South. A lot of folks will be thinking of spring here. And, of course, March is coming. March is a very volatile month. We all know that. We can have temperatures near 80 on some days. We can have teens on some mornings, and we can have anything from tornadoes and floods to blizzards in March. So strap in for a wild ride. Hey, what do we do here? We got to roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Whoa, what a crowd today. I love it. Valentine's Day, packed house. This is Highland School in Etowah County up on Tabor Road up above Gadsden. We had a great time today, and you can have fun and learn science, and we did that today. And I love what they gave me. This cake looks really good. That is very visually appealing. And they got a plan here. I mean, look what they got here. They got a weather radio, portable air horn, hard-sole shoes, and a helmet. They got a plan. They're ready for tornadoes or whatever comes their way. But they were just outstanding today, all of those fine students. So again, to all of the kids, the teachers, lunchroom ladies, administrative team members, everybody at Highland School up in Etowah County, thanks a lot for that great visit today. You know you guys are looking good. So tomorrow going up to Cullman County to Fairview Middle School. Looking forward to that. And then after that, going over to Oak Grove Elementary School out in West Jefferson County to see the kids out there, home of the Tigers. Of course, Fairview's the home of the Aggies. And then Friday morning, it is Oak Mountain Elementary School in Shelby County. It'll be a lot of fun. And then Saturday evening, I'll be at the Alabama Theater to MC, as I have for over 20 years, the Hoover High Senior Beauty Walk. That's always a lot of fun. We have great fun at that, so looking forward to that. But no book signing this Saturday. A week from Saturday, I will be in Nashville at the Severe Weather Day put on by the National Weather Service in Nashville, Trevecca University. And looking forward to seeing a lot of my friends in Tennessee. And again, that is a week from Saturday, and we'll post details on that event and the times and everything as we get into next week. And hey, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 News, right across the hall in Studio A, 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.